Okay, this is for the members who asked me to do this, I don't know what you'd call it, tutorial, I guess. I'm not a video maker, so bear with me. So this is for those who have this scoreboard with this on the back for making envelopes. So I'm going to make paper size 11 by 11. It tells you your paper size 11 by 11, and it's going to fit this size card here. And the score mark is going to be 4.5. Make sure when you put your paper in, don't just assume it's a 12 by 12, because not everything is exactly 12 by 12 if you want to use the 12 by 12 paper size. My 12 by 12 is always a bit short, so I cut it down to 11. So the score mark was 4.5. So you put your paper up to the 4.5. There's your 0, so come down 4.5 to there. Line it up even with this edge, and then you put your score tool in there and just score down, and then you turn it. That's the only time you need to measure it. Where the score line is here, you want to match that or line it up so it's even with this edge of this triangle. Goodness. And then score down. Do the same again. Where was that edge? I don't know if you can see it there. I don't even know if I'm in frame. And then match it up again. I hope this works. Then you cut out these little triangles. This doesn't look right. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Okay, so you cut out that. Can you see that? Is that even in frame? All those triangles, and then you just fold it up like a normal envelope on your score line, score marks. Oh yeah, it worked. It's been a while since I've made these with this template. Just glue it all together. You can cut that across if you don't like that. I don't actually like that there, so I just fold mine under to wherever you want it. Make it even. Glue all this business down, and there's your envelope. If there's anything that needs, trimming down, just do that. I don't like that, so I'll trim that off. And that's basically it. Thanks.